In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw trend lines on MT5 mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to simply go to the charts at the bottom and tap anywhere where there's empty space. And this is going to open up this settings wheel. And then on the very left-hand side, you can see there's like a few shapes. There's a triangle, there's also a circle and a rectangle behind them. Tap on that. And then from here, it's going to pop up favorite objects. And the one we're looking for is the trend line, which is actually the third one. So simply tap on the trend line, and in the top right of your basically chart, you can now see there's like a trend line, and you can go ahead and just draw it out. So I'm just going to draw one out here for an example, and you basically have to just draw. So tap and then basically just drag. Okay, so I'm going to go like this. There we go. And up top left, as you can see, it's basically zooming in and showing where I'm finishing. So I'm going to finish over here roughly. There we go. And as you can see, this is now the trend line. I could go and move it around if I want to. I can change it. I can go ahead and adjust it however I want. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.